Tired of missing important payroll updates and HR notifications lost in the shuffle? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to connect your work email to Gusto, ensuring you never miss a beat. First, log into your Gusto account using your existing credentials. Once you're in, look for your profile icon or settings menu, usually found in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, find the personal information or account settings option and click on that. Scroll down until you find the email address section. You should see your current email listed here next to it. There's usually an edit or change button. Click that. Now, carefully type in your professional work email address. Double check for any typos to avoid issues later. After entering your new email, click Save or Update. Gusto will send a verification email to your work address. Go to your work email inbox and find the email from Gusto. Open it and click the verification link inside. Clicking the link will redirect you back to Gusto, confirming your work email is now successfully connected. You should see a confirmation message on your screen. You're all set. Now, you'll receive all your payroll and related updates directly in your work inbox. Making sure you stay informed and organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Gusto tips and tricks.